guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Telling us I may have no reaction video today, right? Alright, this is just the next one. So, guys, today we are here and we are reacting to Sloth, Gunna, Abra Cadabra, and Kelvyn Colt. Yeah, Colt. C-O-L-T. Colt. Get It. Song called Get It. So this song dropped a few hours back. So I thought I would just react to it and see what I go on. What I go on. Big up Sloth. You know Sloth is here, man. Sloth is in it now. That is my Sloth impersonation, by the way. So without further delay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, guys, please subscribe to my channels. They're all here. My Twitch, my Twitter. Yes, tweet. Yeah, my Instagram. Yeah. And my gaming channel on YouTube. It's all there, guys. So subscribe to them. Alright, let's go.
When you want something in life.
Yo. I can't take Sloth serious, you know. Why can't I take Sloth serious? Even though this is probably a positive message that is promoting, we can't take him serious. Look at him face. Sloth is just that guy, man. Let's go.
You can't sit and wait for it to come to you. You gotta go get it.
And when I wake up in the morning, my first letters thank God I gotta get up and go get it. I'ma pull up.
Did he really just come in like that? Did he just really come in like that? Abra that though. Yeah, man. Big up Abra them shots. But dog, did he really come in like this? Who's this, Gunna? Who's this artist, Gunna?
You gotta go get it.
And when I wake up in the morning, my first letters thank God I gotta get up and go get it. I'ma pull up in the foreign, I'm about to go all in, I ball in a roll, man, like Dennis. No.
Bombo Claw, this is a banger, Charlie. Charlie, this is a banger, Charlie. This is a banger, Charlie. This is like a banger, Charlie. Charlie.
No fitted. Scheme with my soldiers like I'm a lieutenant. They do what I tell them. I tell them to get it and get it and get it and get it and.
I'm just scheming my soldier like I'm a lieutenant. Yo, that song just make you want to get up and just go with beer things. I would never hear the rest of the song. Let's go, man.
There's greatness ahead of me. I never stop till it's all in their faces. I never stop. And
yo, Abra can sing, Abra can rap, Abra can drill, Abra can do every friggin' thing, dog. The man talented, brother. Abra, John dog. Let's
my story is taking me places. I couldn't buy you before. Now I got no problems when I'm walking in the store.
Man say, yo, thank God. God help him change him life. God help him change him life. Thank God. Him say him couldn't afford it before. Now him a buy everything when he walk it at the store. Yo. AB, big up yourself, dog. Let's go.
Fuck with their opinions, I remember I was poor. Why they was surprised now that I'm kicking in the door?
Fuck no opinion. Fuck no opinion. Which part of the day when time I was poor? Eh? No, I'm not surprised when me a kick in the door. Me a kick off the door for the inches. I want you. I do this thing about me. Yo, that brother ya, dog. Yo, me can't speak highly enough of Abra, Chip, and a couple other artists in the UK. The man them just different, bro.
Fully mistaken. They said that I'm floating, I never make it. Now they don't say shit. My brother told me that I'm slacking. He said get cracking. I told him it's patient. Patient. All of those people who would tell me say I wasn't gonna make it, Leonate, look at me now. I wanna feel that hurt, don't it? That hurt. When you put down someone and didn't believe in them, and know them and make it out without your without your approval. Hurt, you know? Hurt you. You feel hurt. Yeah, you feel hurt. Yeah, man. You feel yeah. You're supposed to feel hurt, drunk crow. You're supposed to feel hurt, dog doo-doo. You're supposed to feel hurt, dog shit. You're supposed to feel hurt. You're supposed to feel hurt. You cannot put your mouth on me and expect say it is gospel. No. I'm doing it by myself. Thank you very much. Let's go. I looked all around me and saw people changing. Fuck with them niggas, I stood up and faced it. All them bullets
bullets that I dodge, they know the bullets that I give.
All the bullets that I dodge and all the bullets that I give. Abra is rapping here. Abra is really rapping here. Abra is really going in right here, dog. I love this. I love that. I think this was shot in I don't know England. England that? That look like America to me. But I don't know. Let's go.
They will happen for a reason, wouldn't change. All them trials and tribulations made a man. No.
Yo, a man say everything happened for a reason and I wouldn't change it. In America, this look like a Dubai. Guys, where's this video? Where's this? Charlie Sloth. Which part did I shoot that video, dog?
No man can save
and when I wake up in the morning, my first thought is thank God I gotta get up and go get it. I'ma pull up in the foreign, I'm about to go all in a ball in a roll, man, like Dennis. No.
Yo, I love that song. I love that song. I'm gonna add this song to my playlist. I'm gonna add that song to my playlist. It is a motivational song. It is a nice chill song. It's a party song. Enough girl in the video. I like on the girl. I love it. I love it. Let's go.
Scheme with my soldiers like I'm a lieutenant. They do what I tell them. I tell them to get it and get it and get it and get it in.
Watch your boss suit. Watch your boss suit. Watch your boss suit. Man, see a scheme with my lieutenants. Yo, people, I love that song here. I love that song here, guys. Good night.
I get it in. I walk up and cut out the middleman. Only talk to the boss. I got vitamin BC. Run through my veins like adrenaline weed.
You the man saying though? Him cut out the middleman. Him only talk to the boss because he's a boss himself on film side. So he's only gonna talk to the boss. And no, the middleman, we bring it straight to the plug. Oh, I'm too now. I wake up this morning and I got to go get it. Big up the people out there that's getting it. Yeah, that's getting it. I'm making news of it. Yeah.
Just gotta drive. Carry too much heat on me, cool down. Papa said picky shot like the sun. Mama's on my zone. Last season, piss on the chance. I'm bringing back home. How many?
Who is that guy in the suit? Who is the Rasta guy? Is his name Gunna? Who is that? Is that Gunna? Cause them fire it down.
I'm like in bad bone. No ready for you trying to see you in that hall. Locked up there, broke with the tactile. I can count on one hand who with me. If I went great shape, then like.
I can count on one and who is with me. I can count in a real life. I can do that. I can count on one and who is with me. These hard times make you know who your real friends are, dog. Remember, tough time don't last. Tough people do. Let's go.
I don't do. Gotta focus on Bisbee. All of my one. Been so high, so proud of what I become. Yeah.
You know what would be good? If Charlie have a verse on this. What do you think, guys? That would be fire if Charlie actually spit a verse on this, right? If I even 8 bars. Give Charlie 8 bars for the song.
Those mothers feel on. Feel my heart beat, the mind, the family, on the young. TBHG, listen talk. And when I wake up in the
Here we go again.
morning, my first thought is thank God I gotta get up and go get it. I'ma pull up in the foreign, I'm about to go all in a ball in a roll, man, like Dennis. No era, no fitted.
New era, new fitted. Yo, I love that song, yeah. But I'm curious to know which part of the video shot, brother. If you have a problem with me pausing it every 10 seconds, sorry, this is what we do over here. We break down. We vibe and break down. You understand? So let's go.
Scheme with my soldiers like I'm a lieutenant. They do what I tell them. I tell them to get it and get it and get it and get it in.
I tell them to get it and get it.
Who's this now? Charlie Sloth, Mr. Charlie Sloth. Go on, I'm not sure. Abra, Mr. Abra. But it says there's 4 people here. Charlie and a singer. But Charlie did the intro. 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 people. I see the Rasta guy already. I see the need to do the chorus. I'm gonna say Abra. So who's this guy now?
Get it and get it and get it. I wake up, go get it, yeah. I told you I'm with it, ain't with it. I know they ain't with it. They got like a fitted cow. I see they rocks like a witness and all of them in me, and that's why I keep strapped.
Bumbleclot. He's going in. He's literally going in. Guys, who is this guy? What's his name? What's this guy? Not Charlie. What's the guy that's rapping here?
I told him send me my money, a song over verse and a verse, I'ma send it back. I let her so I swear for one battle, approach it up, break you the mini back.
Oh my God. The man in my trap, dog. The man in my trap, brother. This is a mad song.
I might strike a nerve, I'm too deep in the stomach, I bust in a kitty cat.
Where's that? What just say?
Approach it up, break you the mini back. I might strike a nerve, I'm too deep in the stomach, I bust in a kitty cat.
Yo, get in the kitty cat. Man, busting that kitty cat. Deep in our stomach up. Yo, yes, yo.
We ball like a hobby, like what 𝐂𝐃𝐄𝐊𝐃𝐲 the Lambo look like a bat. We ball with no hobby, like what 𝐂𝐃𝐄𝐊𝐃𝐲 the Lambo a penny mat.
Oh my God, Charlie. Did you come up with this idea? Was this your idea, Charlie? Because if it was, bro, big up yourself, bro. Kudos to you, bro. This is a fire. This is fire, Charlie. I don't know what input you have on this song producing wise, Charlie. But it's a fire. It's a fire, bro.
But I never could be a rap. I'm not with the drama, we send them up on it, they don't wanna feel that. Bitch, I'm gonna wanna catch that and I'm spitting real fast.
So everybody in this song is American apart from Abra, right? It seems that way to me. Everybody in this song is American apart from Abra.
I do me a pill back. Don't get your shit.
And when I wake up in the morning, my first letters thank God I gotta get up and go get it.
Just the chorus for me, dog. The chorus and yo, the whole song bad. The verse them, the chorus bad. Every fucking thing bad, brother. Everything bad. Everything bad. And everything plug out. Everything plug in. Nothing no plug out.
Pull up in the foreign, I'm about to go all in, I ball in a room. I like Dennis, new era, new fitted. Scheme with my soldiers like I'm a lieutenant. They do what I tell them.
Look on Charlie. Charlie a real boss, you know. Charlie the boss. Look on Charlie. Yo, big up Charlie, dog. Your father a long way, brother. Your father a long way. Big up yourself.
I tell him to get it and get it and get it and get it. Wake up in the morning, my first letters thank God I gotta get up and go get it.
Guys, which country is this, man? I'm trying to look at the cards and to see if we can see anything. Is this Dubai? Which country is this, guys?
About to go all in, I ball in a room. I like Dennis, new era, new fitted. Scheme with my soldiers like I'm a lieutenant. They do what I tell them.
Which country is this? It's really bugging me. This country is really Which country is it? Guys, the song is nice. I love it. I love it. Anybody who press dislike on this song, dislike them family, dislike themselves. Anybody who dislike this song was born at a banana tree root. Them not born good. They was drag up, not brought up. Guys, if you enjoy this reaction, please leave a like on the video, guys. Please follow me my social up there, guys. And guys, it's a pass for me. Big up Charlie Stop, big up Abra, big up Gunna, big up Kelvyn Colt, and the next person that was singing that is not on the title. Big up on yourself, dog. I really appreciate that song. Guys, me out of here. So I'll see you guys in the next one, alright? Peace out.